Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically fit the width of a column in Excel, how to create tables instantly, and how to use the sorting features provided by MS Excel. So here I have prepared an Excel sheet for you. To help you understand better, I'm going to insert a new column and name it Department. In this column, I will enter some department and position names, for example, Finance, Engineering, HR, Procurement and Accounts. As you can see, some columns, especially the last two, are not properly fitted, which is why you see those hash symbols instead of the actual content. Now the good news is you can easily fix this manually by double clicking on the edge of the column header, and Excel will automatically adjust the width to fit the content. But if you want to do it for multiple columns at once, there's a more efficient way. Right click anywhere on the sheet tab at the bottom, then click view code. In the code window that opens, and you can see a general box, and in the right corner there is an arrow, and click on the downward arrow. You can select the worksheet options there, and in this window you can write a VBA script. So I'm going to write cells, CLLS cells, then write entire ENT, then you can select here from the entire sheet, and then dot, then the auto AUTO, and select the AutoFit option. Then you can cancel across the window and go to the worksheet again. Once you run this script, the widths of all columns will automatically adjust to fit the data perfectly. So in the worksheet, if you now type a longer department name or position, the column width will adjust instantly to fit the new content, saving you a lot of time. Next, let me show you how to create a table quickly. I have some sample data here, and again I will add a department column for clarity. To create a table, simply click anywhere inside your data range and press Ctrl T. A dialog box will appear asking to confirm the range and whether your table has headers. Click OK, and Excel will instantly format your data as a nice, structured table. Tables come with many benefits. For example, if you add a new row below the table, Excel automatically expands the table to include it. The formatting, like the field colors, also continues seamlessly, and filter buttons appear at the top of each column. This makes managing and analyzing your data much easier. Speaking of filters, let me show you how to use the sorting and filtering features. Click on the filter drop-down in any column header, and you will see options to sort the data in ascending or descending order. You can also select or deselect a specific values to filter your data according to your needs. For instance, if you only want to see rows related to the HR and admin department, just select those from the filter list, and Excel will show you only the matching rows. This filtering tool is very powerful for quickly organizing and viewing a specific subset data. So to summarize, you can auto-fit columns by double-clicking the column edge, or by using a simple VBA script. You can create tables instantly by selecting your data and pressing Ctrl T. Tables automatically format and expand as you add data. Use the filter and sort options on tables to easily organize your data. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it will save your time and when working with Excel. Thank you for watching.